to install and set up Sublime text editor. So first of all, you open your browser and type here Sublime text 3 and search. First click the first link, download Sublime text. New redirect to this page. Now you click Windows 64 if you use 64 bits. Click this Windows 64 bits option and download the file. It start download. It's 10 MB. When it's download, open the file and copy this file in my desktop and paste here. Now we will install it. For installation, we right click in this icon and click the run as administrator. Click here. Click yes. Click the yes. Add to explore content menu. Click next. Install. After install, click finish. It's installed successfully. Now you search the Sublime text editor in here. And here you see that my Sublime text editor is coming. We open the Sublime